How to add your store pages. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to add the pages for your online store. So first thing, you need to go to your online account for your Shopify account, and on the left side of the screen there you'll be able to see a lot of options, and you need to go under store channels. From store channels, I need you to click on online store, and then under online store there you will be able to see pages. When you click on it, you'll be routed to the page where you can see the pages on your online store, and you just need to click on add a page to add one. Once you are routed to adding a page, you just need to input what the page is about on the title. So let's say policy or shipping policy. Okay, once you have the title there, you just need to copy and paste on the description the policy on your account or on the page that you wish to add. And there it is. Those are the shipping policies, like what is the shipping process, the time frame, all of the informations will be inputted here on this page. Okay. Once you are done with the page for the policy for shipping policies, you can click on save, and then that page will be added to your store pages already. Just add a few things here. And once I'm done here, I just need to click on save, and then there your page has been added. So when you go back there, you can see all the pages on the online store. The shipping and return policies has been added. So you can add another page here. Let's say I'll be adding a product information, or for the customer to know more about the product, I'll be inputting a description here. Once I have the title, I can just input more information about the product that we have under description. There, I already have pasted the product description here, and I just need to click on save, and then I can go back to the store pages. And there you have the pages on the account. And that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.